Hey, what's going on, guys? It's your boy Ronnie, and we're back for another session, guys. Welcome. We're gonna trade the London session. It's 2:45 a.m. Eastern time, and we're gonna open in about 15 minutes. We're gonna open London at 3 a.m. Eastern. We just streamed Tokyo a couple hours ago. We finished at 11 p.m. So, guys, and at the end of the call, I caught a buy on gold. We were charting it. Here's the chart, guys. We waited, and I came into this. I picked off this bullish engulfing candlestick, and I rode it up to here. Um, it's here in the guys. If you want, join our free Telegram group. It's right over here. You can see in the free Telegram group. Scroll down. This was me right here. I posted never surrender. I waited patiently for this buy entry. Took a 5 lot for 10 quality pips for $555 when the stream finished. So there it is. I bought in at 1799.79. Took it for just over 10 pips, 11 pips, 1800.90. There's the commission fee. There's the trade right there, guys. So just showing you it right there. Guys, join the free Telegram group if you're not in there. It's right here, Stock Sniper Trading FX, guys. Get in there. And I'll also post it into the. I'll pin it at the top in the chat. 1 second, guys, and then we're gonna get started. So how's everybody's morning? Good morning, everybody. Welcome. Okay, guys. So the free Telegram group, it's posted. It's pinned at the top of the chat, guys. If you want, if you're new, recommend clicking on it. Get in there because we do show our live trades that we take live and other good content in there. Okay. Let's get started, guys. Nabil, what's going on, brother? What are you saying? Frankie, what's going on, bro? Michael Maxwell, how are you, man? Good morning. Okay, guys, we got awesome 12 viewers already just when we get started. Just if I can just get you guys to click like the videos, please, so we can get trending. We want to get trending. And you guys did it with Dave in the morning. You guys were trending. It was awesome. Over 660 views. So it was awesome, guys. And if you're new here, subscribe to the channel, guys. You don't want to miss out on live trading. Dave is going to be going, he'll be trading live New York session NFP this morning, just after 8 a.m. Eastern. It's going to be awesome, guys. Get on that call with him right after this and get some good New York pips for the weekend, guys. Okay. So this is gold right now, okay? Pre-London, okay? So what has gold been doing? It's already charted, guys, because we just finished trading it just a few hours ago, okay? So we have a lot of supply and demand in here. Mostly, guys, supply, okay? So this is an accumulation distribution area. We tried all night to break this trend line. Every single pullback was getting reversed, was getting rejected. Every single pullback was getting rejected. And then we broke 1800, but we did find some good support here, 1799.50. And this is when I took that trade. I took a buy here on this bullish engulfing candlestick, and I rode the momentum all the way up here. I didn't get greedy, guys. I took all profits because I was respecting the sellers. I watched them, what they were doing all night. So I was out of that trade up there, and because look what happened. Trade went right back down, created a lower low, came back, lower high, lower low, okay, and then now we're making a nice move up to here. Yellow line is daily resistance on gold, guys, okay? So now we're just holding support down here at our hourly level, 1800.50. That's a psychological level right at 1800. So gold, we're going to see pre-London, are we going to continue to move up? If we are, we'll be ready for it. If it's going to be bearish, we'll be ready for that. But we'll see, guys. London session above or below 1800. Okay, going to be critical. What else did we look at last night? We looked at US30, guys. Here's US30. Okay, so US30, we were trading it. Here was we had a buy entry or buy trade idea. when we broke out of here at 35,007. We were saying James Bond right here, and it held the entire time. So I was telling everybody on the call, if price holds above 35,011, which it did, then we're going to look to move up. So it moved up to 35,035. We had a pullback. That's the trend line, still being respected. Bounced off of it. We started to break out at 35,035, and we came all the way up to our daily resistance, 35,063. Okay, so that's a good move. All of the guys that were on the call that took that buy, and if they held with the partial runner, it went up approximately over 50 pips, guys, over 50 pips. Now we're starting to pull back a little bit, but we're going to watch London for US30. What direction are we going to go? Are we going to continue moving up, or are we going to start selling off? Right now it's starting to push down. Okay, so here's our support level. If it breaks, we're going to see price action come down. Okay, and also GBPUSD, guys, we charted that one. Okay, GBPUSD. The reason why we're looking at more FX pairs, guys, 23 of us on the call, is because a lot of our traders are in funding talent, and they've reduced what they can trade right now. They can't trade gold and cryptos, so they're limited to just some Forex pairs right now. So we had some guys that were asking for Forex pairs, so we charted everything. We said right here, watch this area for a buy, 139.20, the breakout. It broke out and it got up to 139.24. So it's only a 4 pip move. Okay, so nothing big, and there wasn't too much movement on GU. EURUSD, we charted it and it broke down into a sell when we lost 118.24. Came down to 118.18. Okay, and came right back up, flipped up, reversed, and this is where we're at right now. And finally, we looked at nasty Nasdaq. Last night it was gross. It was just trading in here when we went live, Tokyo. No real big moves. So right now, look at now. It's really dumping now. Okay, so Nasdaq is opening up right now. I can see some volatility coming in the markets now. Okay, and also, guys, what we're gonna do for all the Europeans on the call is here's German 30. Okay. We'll be looking at German 30 as well. So German 30, it's been in a nice bullish uptrend, creating higher highs and higher lows. Broke a daily resistance right here, 15,756, and we came all the way up to 15,781. We're consolidating right now, and we'll see how London session opens up. I can see clear consolidation right now in here. Okay, and what we're looking for German 30 is we're looking for a continuation buy up here, 15,777. We could look for a move up here on German 30. Okay, so keep that in mind up here. And if we go bearish, guys, we're looking for sells down here. Okay, and RSI got extremely overbought up here, 78, and now we're pushing down. So we're going to see how markets are going to open, guys. What do we got? We got about 7 minutes, and then we're going to get London session open. Okay, so this is pre-London. This is pre-London movement, guys. So let's see what's going to happen. Guys, I'm going to start off with gold tonight, so we'll see what gold's doing. Pre-London, here we go, guys. So awesome, 22 viewers already in the call. That's amazing, guys. If I can just get you guys to like the videos, I'd appreciate that. If you're new here, subscribe to the channel. We're almost at 800 subs, guys. Our goal is to get to 1,000. We didn't expect this many subs this fast, but it's great. Don't get me wrong, it's amazing. And then when we get to 1,000 subs, Dave and I are gonna do some scalp sessions on 1-minute candlesticks for you guys to show you guys how to scalp 1-minute candles. Okay. So we're excited about that. So let's enjoy this, guys. We'll see. Okay, London session open. There's a lot of volatility. So again, we're not going to get faked out by candles. We're going to again be patient, disciplined. We'll look for quality trades. We'll see what we can get, and let's go from there, guys. Let's get some pips, guys. And let's enjoy the call, guys. If you have any questions, it's interactive in the chat box. You're welcome to put any questions in there, and I'm more than happy to answer them for you guys. And we're going to look to have a nice 90-minute session minimum till about just after 4:30 a.m. We might possibly go to like a quarter to 5. We'll see. We'll see how the markets are moving, guys. Okay, so we're getting a new 5-minute candle 5 minutes before London. Look what's happened on our last few candles. Every time we get up to this area, 1801, we're getting long rejection wick, long rejection wick, long rejection wick, long rejection wick. So it's safe to say that we have a lot of supply up here, and sellers are pushing the price of gold every time we get up in this range up there. Okay, so we got to respect what's going on up here, and maybe we're going to start to look for maybe if it pushes bearish. Okay, so what we're looking for is, see this area? Okay, it's pretty tight in here. I'm looking for possible breakdown coming up right now below here. Okay, and we can start dropping. We just lost support right here and at RSI 50, so it could be going down, guys. I'm just going to get my MT4 ready. Okay, so we had an initial impulse break. It came down, but again, now it's going right back up. So volume is inside this box. Again, for me, when you see these consolidation boxes, is I don't trade these. This is a no trade area. I'm looking for momentum to the upside, breaking out of here with confirmation or breakdown below. And guys, what I mean by confirmation and retest, I mean if we break out here, I'm looking for a breakout. That could be an impulse candle, okay? And then I'm looking for maybe a retest back here, then I'm looking for momentum to go up here, okay? So that's what I'm looking for. Right now, you see how we're getting candle breaking? This is the impulse candle breaking down, guys. But it could very well come right back up. But if you want to take the impulse sell right now, guys, and lead into London with that momentum, you guys can do that, okay? But you got to understand, it can flip really fast during London, or it can continue going down in that direction. So let's see if we see anything. It's continuing from at the top. It's coming down, lower low, came back up. We got a lower high. And if this pushes down below this wick, guys, we could really drop on gold, okay? But do you see how it got rejected? And a wick coming right back in, okay? So that's why, guys, that's just an impulse trade. We're waiting for volume to close, guys. Just be patient, and let's see what's going to happen. We've got about 2 minutes and 25 seconds to go, guys. Let's see, guys. Sebastian, what's going on, brother? Can we check out NAS100 after yesterday? Yeah, NAS100. It's already charted, bro. Here it is. Okay, so we already charted this. We traded this during Tokyo, and it was consolidating. We didn't take any trades. So this is my box area. So right there, it broke down just now before the call, 240. Okay, so that was the support level. I told all the snipers on the call, watch this level for Nasdaq. 15,137. It just broke. Okay, so broke real. Look how far down it went. Okay, so it broke there, and we came down to 126. Okay, so it just dropped 11 pips. Okay, and then it came right back up, but now we got volume pushing back down here. Okay, you see the bodies. So now if we break below here, then we could possibly see price dropping down further, guys. Okay, so that's Nasdaq. Finally, it made a move because all night it did nothing, guys. So that's why we had the sell order, just like right here. We were waiting for this move back in Tokyo. Now we're getting it all the way down here. Okay, so we were waiting for this in Tokyo. Didn't get it. Okay, Nasdaq was real choppy, so we didn't take any trades. But you can see now it's breaking down. And also for a bullish move, same thing. We're looking for a bullish move up here, 15,145 area and above. We could look for a buy. Okay. So that's Nasdaq, guy. Hopefully that answers your question. Okay. So we're gonna see London Open. What happens with Nasdaq and US30 and gold? Sebastian, my sell entry 178 for 178. Okay, guys, here we go. So we got 15 seconds, guys, and then we're going to get market open, okay? So let's go to gold. I like to watch how gold opens up the markets. Okay, so we're going bearish on gold already. We got a bearish candle coming down, breaking out. There it goes. Look at how they gapped it down, guys. Look at that. Look at that gap down. Wow. Okay. Look at gold. Wow. Okay. Look at them. Look at them. They're dropping it hard. Okay. Look at this, guys. Wow, guys. Do you see this? Look how the candle closed right here at 1800. Look at where they gapped it down. 1799.98, and they dropped it all the way down. It's going down, guys. See how quickly that happens? Wow, they're tanking gold right now. Look at this. Okay, I didn't even get to enter into this trade. It happened so fast, guys. Okay. Wow, 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 wow. Okay. They're dumping gold in London right now. US30, guys. Okay. We got volatility right now. US30. I'm looking for a move coming outside of here. Okay. Okay, so US30, when we stabilize, we're gonna look for buys up here or sells down here. We'll watch how this candle body closes on for US30. Okay, see a lot of volatility. Okay, now it's going back up. Okay, so we'll watch that. Nasdaq came down, and look, big rejection wick. Okay, so we could be reversing on Nasdaq, guys. Get ready. Guys, I'm just trying to read the chat here. Sebastian, thank you. Missed your Tokyo yesterday. I'm glad to be here. No worries, no worries. If you missed Tokyo, you're here for London, and also you can get Dave at New York after 8 a.m. Eastern. Daniel, what's going on? Take profit on gold. Why is your NAS different to mine? Mine is on 15158. Could be your spread. Could be spread, broker spread. Um, okay. And GBPUSD, guys. Okay, so look at it flying, guys. Okay, so GU, guys, it broke out of here. Okay, that's why I gave you guys these targets earlier in Tokyo. 139 200. Look at it, it's gone. Okay, so GU, everything. Okay, I'm gonna stick on one on like a few now. Okay, so we'll watch gold here. Maybe we're gonna see what happens with it. So gold opened, they gapped it down, they dropped it bearish all the way down to 1799.21. Last time we got down here, couple touches, we got out bullish out of here. Okay, so now it's turning into a bullish pin bar. Okay, look at the momentum now. Okay, so volume now is going to come back into this area, and we could be looking for a buy entry up here above 1800.50. We could be looking for buy. We'll see. It's going to retest this area now. This is the retest. We'll see. Is our sellers going to hold it down here? If they do, we could possibly go down bearish again on our next candle. Okay, so 2 minutes to go, guys. We have a bullish pin bar candlestick. What that is it was red. It was bearish engulfing, came all the way down here, picked up some buying liquidity, and it's coming up, and it's looking like a pin bar with a small bullish body in here. Okay, so again, it's just 5 minutes, guys. It's the first 5 minutes in London session. Okay, so you got to understand there's always going to be market volatility. Okay, so we'll wait, we'll relax, guys. You don't have to rush and take trades right away. Frank, does Bitcoin have volatility during the session too? Absolutely, everything has volatility. Here's Bitcoin. Okay, so look at Bitcoin. Bitcoin made its move. Okay, pre-London, 230 coming down, 245, and it's right here. So we're gonna see. So if you're trading Bitcoin, guys, you're looking for, here's your resistance, 41,216. Here's your support. Okay, and we got in here. Okay, so formed like a W pattern. It just broke out of here. Here's the neckline breakout, but we have a lot of resistance over here. If we do a breakout, I can see it going up to here. Okay, but we're not going to be trading Bitcoin tonight, guys, because I know the spreads are nasty on a lot of guys. They're trading Bitcoin with 7 to 10 pip spread, so it makes absolutely no sense to be scalping Bitcoin, guys, especially with a 7-10 spread. So we're going to stay away from Bitcoin, guys. We're going to focus on gold. Okay, US30. Okay, so look at gold now. Okay, so remember it looked real nice and bullish. It was coming right back up as a pin bar. Now this is the close of the candle coming in 5 seconds, okay? The volume is bearish now, okay? So now we could get additional selling pressure coming down on this wick. But we do have bullish momentum right now, okay? So we gotta allow it to do its thing, guys. And we're right at this psychological number, okay? So we might see gold hang around 1800 for a little bit, okay? It retested and coming down bearish, guys, okay? So let's take a look at higher time frame. Let's go look at 1 hour candles. What is the 1 hour candle doing on gold, okay? So it's coming down, guys. It's coming down, okay? So I'm gonna put a feeler trade on gold. I'm gonna take a trade here. I'm gonna go bearish on gold right here. Okay. I'm looking for a wick fill down here, 1799.50, and then I'm looking for a break of support level right here, 1799. If we can break 1799, I could see it coming down to here. Okay, this was in the morning, guys. This was this morning right here, 1799.50. Okay, and then our next area, this white line, 1798. That's our hourly support. Okay. Okay, guys. So I'm looking for a break of support right here, 1799.50, and then touch down on this wick and go down further. Okay. I am in a sell, guys. Okay. And I'm going to place my stop loss up here, and I'm riding momentum down. Okay. Okay, so that's gold, guys. Let's take a look at US30. Okay, US30 is going bearish now. Okay, so we'll watch this candle, how this volume is going to close, because it came when market opened London. US30 came down. Okay, touched here, 35,042, came back up, volume closed in the middle. So this is our first candle breaking down with volume. If we can close down here, again, US30 is going to be bearish, guys. There it goes, okay? So guys, this is the impulse candle. Impulse, you're welcome to trade impulse candles, okay? But if you want to wait for confirmation and retest candle, then we got to wait for this candle to close. But if you want to put a feeler trade out there, because we're coming down to 35,035, that's hourly support on US 30, guys. And here's our trend line, okay? This was our trend line all the way from Tokyo session, okay? We did this session live. It could come all the way back down to touch this trend line, maybe gets respected and comes back up, or if it breaks down here, guys, US 30 is going to start dumping, guys. Look at the RSI now, right at 50. If it starts breaking 50 right here, that psychological 50, US 30 is going to go bearish, guys. There it goes, okay? Here's our touch, 35,036, hourly support right here. White lines on my chart are hourly support. Yellow lines on my chart are daily support and resistance. And then these red lines are 5-minute price action, okay? They're like each red line is a take profit area. But if we break major areas of support on 5 minutes, this thing is going to drop, guys. Okay, gold is reversing. Let me just go back to gold. Gold is reversing, okay? So it came down and now it's going bullish, okay? So it's coming to retest this area, okay? It's going to retest this area. We're going to see, can selling pressure hold it down and continue to move it down? Or is gold going to start going bullish back up here? Reclaim 1800 and hold it, okay? I just put a feeler trade out there, okay? When I put a trade out there, my first initial one, it's a feeler trade. I normally trade with 5-10 lots on gold. So if I put a feeler trade out there, I kind of want to see. Like last night I did it with Tokyo. Right away I did a feeler trade. I saw the way how they were trading it. So that's what I do when I take like some impulse trades. It's kind of like a feeler trade to see how the market is moving, guys. Sebastian, would I say that German 30 is at a supply zone? Good question. Let's check it out. Okay, so this is German 30. This is the supply. This is the zone right here, accumulation distribution, and German 30 is similar to. Look at German 30. Okay, guys, look at it. I had this set up. I told you guys, watch the break right here, 15,769, and there it goes. Okay, so it's coming down to here. Okay, 50 RSI break right there, Sebastian, and there's your money candle. Okay. There's your break, okay? Break here, the support level. There it goes. So what we're doing is we're filling the wick from the London market open, all that volatility. We're coming down. The yellow line for my German 30 is my daily support. Look at it. There's our trend line, everything. Look at the German 30 dumping, guys. Okay? That's a good move right there, okay? Look at the tape. Good move. Right here. 21 pips, 22 pips already on German 30, okay? So price action needs to stay below 15,756. We want to stay, if we're bearish on German 30, see how it touched there? See the retest, guys? Okay, so candle came up to the yellow line. We did have some initial selling pressure, and we're right at this trend line. We're right at the trend line. So lots gonna happen here. But the first initial breakout candle was 20 pips. What I suggest is, guys, always secure about 80% of that trade. Leave a partial runner with a break-even stop loss. But on those 20 pips, you should secure right off the hop, guys. You should always secure 70-80%. Okay. And then leave a runner. If it continues to go down and breaks the different levels of support, we can always add another sell entry. But you don't want to go 20 pips down and then you get a green candle, reverse, come right back up. Okay? When we're scalping markets, guys, every single pip adds up. So when you get a nice break of 20, you should be looking to bank on those. Pastor, what's going on, brother? New to the channel, how long have I been trading for? How long do you think I've been trading for? Let me ask you that. How long do you think I've been trading the markets for? You answer that and then I'll answer your question. How long do you think I've been trading the markets for? How many years? Okay, Sebastian, I've been selling GJ, entry, okay, German 30. Pastor, 3 years plus? H. Adele, 12 years? How about if I told you guys I've been trading the markets for 20 years? 20 years. I started when I was really, really young. I'm 39 now, but I've been trading for 20 plus years, okay? And I've been trading, if I was trading live, oh man, if I had live streaming back in the day to show you guys what was going on, it would be unbelievable, guys. But 20 plus years behind me, and I've always been scalping the markets. Okay, so I love price action. I'm a candlestick trader. I love 5-minute candles, 1-minute candles. But that's what we do here. So it's awesome. We can trade stock market. I started off with stock market for about 15 years, stock market, and then got involved with Forex. 3 years now with Forex, but I love Forex now because it's 24 hours a day, 24 hours. I love it. Okay, and we can trade everything. Okay, so I love Forex trading. I don't even trade stocks as much anymore. If I do, I'm scalping like Tesla options. I'm scalping big board stocks. I love scalping Tesla on 5-minute candles, and you get some big percentage gains scalping options, guys. But good. 3 years. No. It's been. I'm an old cat, bro. Old cat. I've been trading long time. Um, Albert, my man, what's going on, brother? Welcome. Good morning, bro. Albert just joined the team. He's destroying it, guys. He joined the team last week. He's up almost $8,000 with us. So he's a monster, man. Show this man some respect. Okay, guys, so gold, it's again, if we hold these levels, if we hold below, okay, like I told you guys, I'm a psychological trader. So anything with whole numbers, it's price action is gravitated towards whole numbers. So it's gravitated towards 1800. We might sit at 1800, maybe 10 pips up, 1801, 10 pips down, until we start to really get some technical breakdowns. But gold might trade tonight for a little bit around 1800. Until we get some, guys, the news announcement is going to be with Dave at 8 a.m. It's going to be the NFP news, okay? Then we're going to see what gold does. But right now, yeah, we're going to try and scalp some pips here. But big news is going to be in the morning, guys. Okay, so let's run it down. So US30, guys, look at bearish, beautiful. Okay, so the breakdown here, similar to Exactly. I'm not going to sit on gold, guys, because gold's not really moving right now, but we'll focus on US30, NASDAQ, and German 30, okay? So here's NASDAQ breaking down, coming down, continuing to make lower lows and lower highs in profits, guys, okay? So there's the break. That's why we target critical areas. Albert, remember all night, bro, on Tokyo, we were waiting in all this chop session. We were waiting for 15,137 break, and look, we just got it right now at 240. 5 minutes before we started the call, I just went live at 245. Okay, so we were waiting, guys. We had 40 guys on the call during Tokyo. We were watching Nasdaq, and we were calling it nasty Nasdaq because it was doing nothing till now. Guys, I'm just gonna flip to gold because I'm in profits on gold. I took the gold sell. Where's my gold chart? Okay, look at gold dumping, guys. I'm in this, okay, and I'm gonna post it in the free Telegram group. I'm in this trade. Oh, hell yeah. Let's go. So gold, now they're dumping it, okay? Hourly support right here, guys. Look for, oh, shit, yes. 1798. If we break there, gold's coming down. Me and Albert had this number all night. 1797 is our target, guys. Okay, I'm up 10 pips, $100 right now. I took a standard lot. I'm on my MT4 as we're speaking, guys, right now. Okay, so I'm, ooh, shit. She's running, guys. Whoa, 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 look at it dumping, guys. Okay, look at this. Came all the way, guys, down to 1797, where we said 1797 at daily support. We're getting a lot of buying pressure, but I'm going to watch now. 3 minutes and 30 seconds left. We got to watch the volume, guys. If we can finish this volume below the white line, we're below hourly support, we have momentum. We could go down further on gold. But I'm looking to scale out a little bit, guys. I'm going to scale out, guys. I'm not going to leave all this on the table. Unbelievable, guys. Okay, so you got to be patient, guys. Do you see how we don't rush any trades? I got in this trade at 1799.50. I'm in at 1799.50. Okay, right when it broke here, when it broke right there. Okay. Wow, London volatility, guys. Okay, so we got to watch. Now it's getting a lot of buyers pushing it right back up, but we got to watch the volume close on gold, guys, okay? Sorry, guys, I'm in trades, guys. I'm trading with you guys, okay? So you gotta understand, I'm trading too, guys. Okay, so I took profits, guys, because I saw the rejection wicks. But I did leave a tiny, tiny runner just to see what happens. But I'm following that volume, guys, and I'm following this long, long rejection wick. Okay, that's a lot of buyers pushing that price up. So now it gets interesting. We're less than 2 minutes left on the candle. See how the buyers pushed it all the way up? Now it's getting the selling pressure coming back down, the volume. Okay, so we'll watch the close of the candles, guys. Guys, if you're new to the channel, top of the chat, there is a pinned message, the Telegram group. It's a free Telegram group. I highly recommend that you guys just click on it and get in there because you're going to see what I'm posting right now. Okay? Okay, so there it is. Guys, check it out, the Telegram group. You see, I just posted there. There it is. So I took my gold sell at 1799.50. Took partials. I got out at 1798.19. 132. It dropped. I was up $200 at one point when the wick went down here, but I couldn't react in time. It went down for a flash second, came right back up. So I secured profits right there. 13 pip drop. I left a small tiny runner, and but there it is. And it's a live trade. It's real. This is my capital. I'm not in no funding talents or prop firms or FTMOs. That's real trade, real money. And there's my commission fee to prove that, guys, I'm taking trades here. Okay, so that's first trade of the day. I'll take it. There's nothing wrong with 130 to start the day, okay? And I'm going to look for other momentum scalps, but I'm going to follow this too, guys, okay? So we had, why do you think I have yellow line? What is a yellow line? 1797. That's a daily support, guys. So we have daily resistance at 1801.77 on gold, and we just touched down our daily support down here. But it had a lot of buyers, okay? So now look how the candle closed. Next candle follow up is starting green, okay? So we do have initial buyers coming back, okay? So if this green candle comes up and engulfs this red candle, we could see gold maybe start to push up tonight, guys, okay? You never know. Maybe it's going to hold this support level and start coming up. So guys, awesome. 35 viewers. London is popping right now. Guys, if I can just get you guys like the channel, that's all I'm asking in return, is just like the channel, please. I want to get this trending. Dave and I want to get this YouTube channel trending, guys. And if you're new, please subscribe to the channel, okay? You don't want to miss out on this live trading that we're doing. It's free education, guys, free trading. We can answer your questions live. It's just a great atmosphere here, guys. But yeah, I just want to send some shout outs. Amal, my man, you're back. You were with us with Tokyo, back here. Albert, my man. Nisheth, gold falling. Yeah, we were all over it. I had to sell. I told you guys where I was taking the sell. That's where I had my stop loss placed and the sell. So what I do is, when I have a partial runner, I could take my stop loss and put it down to break even. I took my initial profits and leave a break even with a runner, okay? So guys, when you learn how to trade emotions, I have absolutely no emotion in this trade right now. It's a risk-free trade for me. I already banked 80% of my profits and I left a 20% as a runner. If gold continues to break down, great. I'll make additional pips, but I have my stop loss at break even. If this green candle comes up to this area and stops me out, I'm okay with that because I've already banked my profits, okay? So that's, guys, if you want to scalp the markets, that's a strategy how you can compound your accounts and leave a partial runner, okay? Frank, so glad I learned how to scale out on, yeah, bro, see, you're learning now. So now you can scale out on your MT4 on desktop. There you go. See how easy you're getting your profits? Pastor, respect to 20 years. Yeah, I'm an old cat. I'm an old school cat, guys. I got to put it out there. Dave and I are not licensed financial advisors, okay? We're not bankers. We're just some old school guys. We've been scalping the markets, self-taught guys, and it works, okay? We're pretty successful with what we do, and you can see that we can mentor and educate you guys as well, okay? So let me just fill you in what's going on with this candle bar, okay? So it came up green, bullish, but got rejected right here at 1799.33. So on gold, it's making a lower low from my initial entry where I took the sell. And all we got to do is break this previous support now, 1798.50, and then we can start coming down and filling this wick. And in this white line, 1798, that's our hourly support. If we can break below there, we're going to come back down. And if we break, guys, tonight, 1797. If gold breaks 1797, look at where we're coming down. We've already done your homework, guys. We got it all charted. Next hourly support is 1795, and then my next daily is right here, 1793 area, okay? So if gold really wants to dump tonight, it's going to go down, okay? Okay, so that's gold, guys. I'm going to be looking at a lot of charts today, okay? So GBPUSD, let's see, okay. So GER30, guys, US30, it came down, beautiful profits, guys, too. I didn't get in this trade, but normally I have the trade set up where I'm looking for something like this, okay? I have my stop loss placed up here, and I'm good to go, okay? But I didn't take the trade, that's why I don't have this. But I give you guys targets too. Doesn't mean that if I don't take I can't take every single trade, guys, because I'm flip-flopping through multiple pairs. But I give you guys targets, okay? This is consolidation. If you follow the way how Dave and I trade, we don't trade inside here. This is all accumulation distribution. What we're looking for is a volume breakout above here or a volume breakout down here. We had initial London open right now, volatility up and down. Volume closed in the middle, so we got to follow this candle. This candle came, and this is an impulse break down, okay? Here, if you miss this entire red candle, here's your retest candle right here. No draw up, no draw up, no buying momentum, just continuing selling pressure. You could get in there, hit a sell here at 35,035 and go down to 22. Just this candle alone is 13 pips, okay? If you take the whole meat of the trade right there, from here all the way down to there is 30 pips, guys, okay? Now we're pulling back. We're holding support now in US30 at 35,022. Rejection wick coming up. Guys, that was that trend right there. That was our trend line, okay? So we broke below it, but now volume's coming up. We might see now a pullback on US30 coming up, okay? So we could possibly, if we break up here, we could see a buy coming up to about here, okay? But it's in bearish territory. Watch this, guys. See this RSI right here? I draw a support line on it, 37. Watch this RSI. If we come back down and we break 37, you're going to see US30 drop even further, guys, okay? So that's US30. Potential buy back up here. Remember, this is hourly resistance now, okay? So this is an impulse breaking coming up, okay? But watch now, guys, the volume, how it's going to close. If we get volume close up here, we could potentially see US30 make a move like this. Come up, back in here, and then try up here and do something like this, okay? But we have bearish momentum. We have RSI under 50 right now, okay? So, and this is impulse, guys, okay? So if you want to take impulse trades, you're welcome to do that. But I'm more of a patient trader. I like to wait for confirmations. I look for quality. I don't like to get faked out on every single candle, okay? So that's what you're going to learn, guys. When you're scalping, there's a lot of head fake candles, guys. You got to learn how to limit those head fakes. Okay, what else did we chart on this call? We did Nasdaq. Okay, so Nasdaq dropped right there. That was the sell entry. We had this from Tokyo session. I waited all night for that break. We didn't get it until 5 minutes before I started the call. I think I started this call at 2:45. This was at 2:40. Okay, but that's why these areas hold weight throughout the entire night. Okay. Yeah, bro, Albert, you had it spot on. Albert said just during Tokyo, he said the wick would come back to 1797 and flip there. You had it, bro, spot on. I agree with you 100%. Streamlabs, thank you for the shoutouts. We appreciate you. Streamlabs is a software that we use for live streaming, and shoutouts to you guys. Yeah, Babylon, how many trades do you take on one move? I take, guys, I don't have a set amount. I trade price action. If I find that the price action is moving in my direction, I take multiple orders, guys. I don't have like I only take 3 trades a day. No, I scalp the markets, guys. If I show you guys my history, like you'll see that I'm scalping. So I go with the price action, bro. I trade price action. If I like where it's going, I'll go with it. I trade with the trend, okay? And then every pullback is a new entry if I want, okay? Fun happens. What does a head fake mean? A head fake is, this is a head fake, okay? Let me show you right here. See this candle, how it's breaking out, this green bullish candle above here? They break it out, okay? And then this traps a lot of traders. They're going to hit buy entry here. It goes up 1 pip, 2 pips, and then next candle is red bearish engulfing, and then it goes all the way down. That's a head fake candle. That's what we're trying to limit when we're taking impulse trades. That's why what we're trying to do is wait for the volume to close, how it did here, and then this candle would be a retest. It would come down. Hopefully we find some support here. Then we would look for it to go up. That would be our entry. Oh my God. So let's see. Gold. Ooh, shit. Gold is moving, guys. Okay. Look at gold. Okay. Gold is pumping back up. Okay. So gold wants to come back into this area right up here. See how I have this box? I'm going to take this with me throughout the entire night. I'm going to take this into New York session. Okay. Because this was an area where it started. This was Tokyo session right here. Remember, Albert, when we were trading this and everybody else on the call that was Tokyo? We were looking for, I caught, Albert, after the call, bro, I caught the buy right here. I waited till almost midnight to catch this. I caught it. I got a 5 lot. I took it for 11 pips for $555. I took it up there and then I got out of it. But this is what I was waiting for the entire night. I thought we would get it right here, We didn't get it there. Finally, we got it there, guys. So, do you know how patient we were on that entire call, guys? We spotted bullish divergence the entire call, but it took a while for it to develop, guys. Okay, look at gold. Oh my goodness, guys. Whoosh, gold is flying, bro. Okay, guys. So this was a consolidation area, order flow area. We just blasted right through that. Here's the next zone, guys, okay? Next zone right here. Look at the RSI, break 50, which is really nice. That's why we got strength on our side now. So look, guys, this is going, we have not, if we break above here, look at this area, okay? This yellow line, guys, is 1801.83. This is daily resistance. I will have a buy order ready up here, okay? So if we can break above here, we haven't been up here for a long, long time. I'm going to get positioning myself for a buy if we potentially get up there, okay? Wow, 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 wow. See the volatility in London, guys? Big dump down, big rejection wick, a spin top candle in the middle, and then boom, we have buying momentum go all the way up. Okay, I was in the sell, I collected there. I missed gold because we were charting something else, guys. So that's the thing, it's hard for me to just flip flop. I like to focus on one or two maximum pairs because I follow price action, guys. That's why I can, if I give you guys targets, I give you guys targets, but then I go to a different pair. So right now, Nasdaq is consolidating in this range right now from 15,128 to 15,000, 5 pip range, 133 to 128. I can see it right here. So again, I don't trade inside here. I wait for breakouts and I wait for breakdowns. Okay, let's go back to my man Hans is on the call. Respect to Germany. Okay, so this is the German 30. It broke down, Hans came down. This is the retracement. It came back up, rejected, and it's going down bearish, guys. So German 30, guys, if we break right here, 15,748. This is a bearish candle coming down. We're gonna drop, guys, 15,741 and 732. Okay, so now you see how the markets are opening up by like 10 pips now. These ranges, okay. And as long as we stay below 15,756, that's daily support, this could continue to fall, guys. Wow, what a good session, guys. 44 viewers. Thank you, guys. Just please hit the like button for me. That's all I ask in return. I want to get this trending, guys. I really appreciate it. Then when we get trending, Dave and I, we stay longer. Normally we go for 90 minutes. Tokyo, we were trending a little bit. Everyone was liking. I went for almost 2.5 hours, okay? So guys, that's all we ask. Look at that. That's a shooting star candle. Guys, we're price action traders. It came up bullish. It got rejected right here. Trend line, daily support, or daily resistance. This is a shooting star candle. I told you, it's coming down. This is next stop, 15,741, okay? If you guys want to join our mentorship team for $29.99 a month, you guys can join our mentorship group. It's growing fast, guys, growing fast. First 100 guys that sign up are going to get $29.99 a month forever, okay? And because I can guarantee you those prices will not stay at that price. We provide you with trade ideas and recaps throughout the day. We got private Zoom webinars and Zoom trading with the snipers. You got a VIP chat room with a bunch of guys, great guys in there. There's so much education, like smart guys in there. There's guys that we have in funding talent and FTMO, guys that have been through all the challenges. We got elite members. We have guys that are cashing out actual real physical profits. Any questions you guys have about those, we got a group of guys all in there that understand everything. We're even talking about now binary options. We're going to be looking to scalp binary options, guys, live, okay? So we got a lot of guys in there that are talking about binary options. Like, it's a great group of guys. So if you want in on that, and then we got online tutorials, guys. Tutorials that teach you everything about price action, okay? There's a lot of good value for 30 bucks, a buck a day. What you get in there, a buck a day, is ridiculous, guys. It's basically you're getting the whole program for free. You can come on a call with us right now, go $1 a pip, and I can guarantee you on every call, Dave and I will make you minimum 30 pips, and you can pay for your membership on every single call. Okay, look at this right here, German 30 breaking down. Guys, German 30 is going to come down to here and here. But I don't want to sit on German 30. I got to go look at other pairs, guys. We're in multiple trades. US 30, same. It's exactly like German 30. It broke down, pulled back. Look at this. Lower high, we got a rejection wick, and here it comes down. Here's a shooting star candle coming down bottom heavy. US 30, look for it to touch 35.022, and next area it's going to come down to is 35.16. Okay, but we watch volume, guys. We need volume to break and close below here, below support levels. Okay. GBPUSD, big move, big move. Okay, so same with GBPUSD. These are buy orders all day up here. See the number ahead? 139.20 all day. Okay. When it broke right here, it came up. There is a buy entry. You could even have like a buy stop if you want. Buy, stop loss below here, and ride it. Look how high that went. 139.20. Guys, it went up to 139.33. There's a 13 pip breakout move, guys. That's why you want to understand the zones, okay? And be patient, guys. Let the trades come to you. Guys, you see, I'm not forcing any trades, and we make pips, okay? I don't need to chase every single candles, but what we do is, with experience, we target the proper setups, okay? I don't like to get faked out by market makers, okay? So I'm very patient with my trades. But when I do take a trade, they're quality trades, okay? Look at NASDAQ, completely breaking down. Here was that consolidation box here. It got rejected. Look at, as soon as it breaks the lows here, 15,128, it dropped all the way down to 122. Okay, there it goes. Okay, so let's go back to gold. Let's focus on gold now. We had that nice big bullish move. Hans, use more monitors. I don't need no more monitors because me personally, I don't trade 5-10 pairs. I focus on one or two, and I know them. Like, I know support and resistance. I don't even need lines. Okay, that's how much I trade them. Gold and US30 and like Nasdaq, those are my favorite pairs to trade. But I also love GBPUSD. For any currency pair, GBPUSD was one of the first ones I started scalping, and I love the movements of GBPUSD. Okay, but when I'm trading myself, I'm just trading maybe Bitcoin, gold. I don't need to have 20 pairs. It's when you follow price action, you got to understand that you're focusing on price action. Okay. So I follow support, resistance. Like, I don't use too many technical indicators. I'm following momentum. I'm following the volume. I look for these order blocks, okay? Because I want to see what the banks are doing. I want to trade with the banks, guys. I don't want to trade with like retail traders. I want to trade with what the banks are doing, okay? Do you guys understand what I mean by that? Like, I don't care what retail traders are doing, okay, to tell you the truth. I care these sell blocks, sell and buy blocks, because this is where all the order flows are being fulfilled. I want to be trading with the banks, okay, so you got to understand what I'm trying to do here. The retail traders, yeah, but they're good. I got respect. I'm a retail trader, but I can't move the markets. I'm not a market mover. Us as retail traders, we can't move gold. We can't move German 30. We're not, but the banks are moving them. So we got to understand how the banks are trading, and we trade with them, okay? Hopefully that sinks in and you guys understand what I'm saying there. Frankie, Ronnie doesn't need lines. No, I don't. Like, I basically I trade like all day, every day. So I know targets like when they happen. I put the lines for you guys so that you guys can see that these are like take profit areas. The yellow line is more of a higher time frame support and resistance. It's daily. The white line is hourly, and then the 5 minutes are like take profit scalps. Okay, so but I could trade if you guys want one night. We can trade a bare raw chart, just candles. Okay, I'll get rid of RSI and we'll trade a bare chart, and I'll show you how we'll do it. And Dave loves to do it. He's a raw candlestick trader. Like, he just loves price action. What happens trading with the banks? You lose me here. Okay. But that's why you got to think. You got to think like a banker. You got to think like a market mover. You got to move with the markets, guys. You got to move with the trillions of dollars go through the forex market daily. They move up and down. You got to move with that money. You got to understand where they're buying, where they're selling. Okay, they're the ones that control all the orders. Okay, so look at the zone up here on gold. Every time we get up here, look at when I told you originally, wick, 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 wick. These were bullish candles coming up. These were all bullish candles. But there's so much supply up here at around 1801. There's so much supply up here. With all of that volume, we cannot break there. This is what I mean. There's a lot of sell orders up here, okay? So there's too much supply on gold up here than there is demand. So even with this heavy, big bullish candle coming up, we got in there and it got rejected. Next, we had continuation come up, rejection, and look at now gold falling back, okay? This is what I mean. When you understand these levels, then what you can do is you could have a sell order with a stop loss placed up here and you're already in profits, okay? Before the trade even happens. That's why I highlight these areas, okay? Even me, I took this trade, okay? Let me show you guys. Let me go right here to show you guys that I'm not bullshitting you guys, okay? Here's my trade right here, okay? This was right after we finished Tokyo. I waited for this. Look at where I got in at 1799.80 with the spread, okay? And then I got out just below 1801. I took a 5 lot. I made $555 minus $22.50 commission, okay? This is a real trade. But why did I do that? And look at where I took my profits, guys, okay? So 1799.80. That was back here. Right here. 1799.80 on this bullish engulfing candle. I got in the order right there, okay? And I walked it up. I watched all of these candles. Every single candle made a higher high and a higher low. I held a 5 lot. I got a lot of traders here when it came down, you know, that came back, but I respected what it was doing. It came down and grabbed liquidity here, okay? And then it went up, and then I waited for this trend break right here. We got it. Like, you got to see, I came down, draw down, but I still held the entire position, came up, and I saw it gap it up right here above the hourly, came up, okay? And then this candle I got out like at 1801, just right there. I could have tried to hold it for a little bit more, maybe an extra 3 more pips. But if I didn't get out, look at what happened. It would have came right back down, guys, okay? So got to understand what's going on. And we were waiting for that trade the entire Tokyo session. We tried to get it here. We tried to get it there. But it respected this trend line the entire night until finally after the call it broke out there, okay? Patience, guys. If you want to be a consistent, profitable trader in these markets, and they are very volatile, you have to have patience and discipline, okay? Okay, so let me go US30. Okay, so US30, see this choppiness, guys? Okay, so US30 is consolidating right now, okay? So when it's consolidating, this is too difficult to scalp. Even it's hard for me, okay? So I could imagine you guys that are just learning how to trade. Very difficult. So what we do is, we're going to box all this in, box all that price action. And then what we're looking for is, we'll look for a buy when price action breaks out of here, impulse breakout, look for a retest right here, and then we're looking for something like this, guys, okay? That's if we get bullish momentum. And then if we go bearish, if we continue to go bearish, if this candle flips, we're looking for an impulse break to catch one of these wicks. And then we're looking for price action, buyers come pull it back up here. Then you're looking for like a bearish engulfing candle or a rejection wick, a shooting star candle to go down to here, pull back and back down to this hourly level, okay? So that's my US30 setup right now, guys, to look for trades. And then, guys, you're looking for something like this, okay? Come back up to this zone. And same with a sell, okay? Let me know if you guys got any questions on this. Do you guys understand what this consolidation box is? Okay, this is a no trade zone. What we're looking for is confirmation buys to break out and confirmation sells. But in the meantime, if price just wants to accumulate and distribute in there, I'm not going to trade that. Okay, there's not enough pips to be made minus broker spreads and commissions, whatever you're trading. I'm not about that. I'm about the better trades, quality pips, guys. Okay. So that's like my setup now, and this is like trade setups right now. This is like a trade idea, guys. Okay. So now we got 50 seconds left on this candle. It is bullish, but we're not breaking above here with volume close, okay? So now we could push up. There it is, okay? So now we're getting a breakout, guys. This could be an initial impulse break on US30 right now, okay? So let's watch it. And let me know, guys, if you have any questions, okay? Any questions. I'm more than happy to answer them. Guys, I got energy tonight. Believe it or not. I slept for one and a half hours, guys, and I'm back at this. You guys, I feed off of you guys, okay? When you guys are live in the chat room, in the chat, Dave and I feed off your guys' energy, okay? Okay, so this candle is gonna close right here. No, Frankie, they call me the vampire. I don't sleep. Okay, so see, we didn't enter into no buy. It got rejected up there. We got to wait for volume, guys. Do you guys understand what volume is? Volume is money, okay? So that's where the money is. That's the volume. So I'm not going to take trades unless they're confirmed trades, guys. Just be patient. Let the trades come to us. We don't need to force anything, okay? Because look how they flip it. It went up, okay? This candle could have faked out a lot of buyers, okay? Because they see a bullish engulfing candle, they buy. But then what happens? It doesn't break out, and next candle is bearish, coming right back down, okay? So all of this choppy shit inside here, we do not trade this. This is a no trade area, okay? This is all consolidation before getting prepared for the next move, okay? So that's exactly how my chart. Guys, this is a buy area up here. If you need to see, if guys are visual like this, you need like labels, 35,036, and right here, 35,027, okay? You guys understand? Buy area, sell area, with confirmation. Let me know if you guys understand what a confirmation retest is, okay? Frederic, for what is the best broker to use with TradingView? TradingView is a platform. It's a platform, charting platform. But what we use is we use Fusion Brokers out from Australia, and we use it through MT4. So I'm trading off my mobile phone, MT4. I hate desktop. I hate it. I've tried it, and it's not for me. It's not for everybody. I trade with my phone everywhere I go. Everywhere I go. I could be at the grocery store and I'm scalping gold on 1 minute candles. Okay, so I'm gonna leave US30, guys. You guys watch it. You guys let me know if you guys are watching it. Let me know, guys, if we start breaking out 35,036 or 35,027, and then we'll come in and we'll scalp it accordingly. Okay, so just watch those areas. I trade everywhere, bro. Everywhere. Grocery stores, wherever I'm at. 1 minute candle scalping, guys. I'm in and out, in and out. Okay, 1,000 subs, guys, and we're gonna be scalping 1 minute candles for you guys. H Adele. So confirmation candle is a break and retest the consolidation zone. Yes, you got it, my man. 100%. Okay, so Adele, the audience applauded your answer there. You got it. Okay, so you guys are starting to understand now. So that's good, good, good. Okay, so GBPUSD had its break. It's also consolidating here. Okay, you can see the size of the candles. You can see the size of the volume. Okay, we're cooling off. EURUSD, it moved up. See the zones here. Okay, so we moved up. Okay, now broke out here. 26 and 29, not much pips. Okay, so that's why we're going to stay away from those currency pairs. We need to find something more with volatility, guys. We want to make some. Gold is just hanging around here. Let me go back to, let's see, our German 30. Oh, German 30 looking sexy. Okay, just continuing to break down for all my Germans, for my Wiener Schnitzels out there. Okay, my Germans, look at German 30. Okay, so we broke down right here, broke down, pulled back. Volume went below the daily, and now look at again. You can box this in. Right now we're getting spin top candles. These candles are indecision, 50-50 neutral candles, but we got to follow the volume. Okay, so if it continues to break down, guys, you're looking for your next profit right here. 15,731 breaks below there. Our next 5 minute support is 15,722. Here it comes down. See, it's coming down as a shooting star candle. Get ready, guys. Okay, and where did I get these? I look left on my chart, and I'm going back to August 5th at 10 o'clock to find these areas. Okay, previous price action. So there it goes. Okay, so it's consolidating right now. Will either pull back up to this resistance, 15,747, or we're going to break down below here. Okay, it looks like momentum is going back up now. We could see now a reversal pattern on German 30 coming up now. Okay, maybe it found a bottom, but guys, look at the move. Like, you cannot get greedy, guys. There's a saying in the stock market: bears make money, bulls make money, but pigs get slaughtered, guys. If you're a greedy pig, you're going to get slaughtered in these markets today. Okay, that's a drop of 32 pips. Okay, you need to be scaling out a little bit of profits, guys. Okay, because easily it could come right back up. You guys, when you're scalping and you're up 30 pips, you don't want to give them away. Okay, you know how hard it is to scalp and work for 30 pips. Okay, especially when you use larger lot sizes. Okay, if you were to go a standard lot on this, you make $300. Okay, in just one session. Okay, so that's good money, guys. Okay, so let's see Nasdaq. It's in this box, but we're starting to break down. Okay, so real choppy. The big move was it was right before London, guys. It was at 240. We got on this call at 245. Oh man, it's like they're 5 minutes ahead of us. Okay, um, let's see here. Marcos, what's going on, brother? Hey, how are you, man? How can you do that with the pop-up of the price? The price, the labels. It's this one right here, the price label. You can find it right here. So if you go on TradingView, it's this one right here. Here's your crosshair. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 down. The fifth box, that's your price. You can find it in there. That's these price labels, if that's what you're asking. Okay, guys, let me know in the chat. What do you guys want me to focus on? Okay, because it's almost 4 o'clock. We're going to get a new hourly candle. Put in there, guys. What do you guys want me to focus on for the next little bit? The winner takes it. Okay, what do you guys want to see? Do you want to see gold, US30, Nasdaq? Do you want to see a currency pair? You guys, okay, I'm here for you guys. What do you guys want? Put in the chat now. Let me know what you guys want to see. Check out Euro JPY. Okay, we got Euro JPY. We got gold. Let's go. What else we got in there? Gold. Okay. Gold, US30. I love scalping gold, guys. So, gold's my baby. I've been scalping that for a long time. German 30s. Okay, looks like gold so far, guys. Okay, but right now we're on Nasdaq. It had a pullback, and now we're getting bearish engulfing candle. So, guys, trend lines. Do you guys know how to draw trend lines? Okay, so trend lines are key. So if I'm drawing trend lines, as long as we stay below here, okay, this was like gold last night. We have a pullback coming up, getting rejected, big bearish engulfing candle. We have another pullback coming. We might start getting rejected, or we'll wait till we hit the trend. So for a bullish breakout, guys, we're waiting for Nasdaq to break through this trend, pull back, and then we're looking for a confirmation retest down here, and then we could see maybe Nasdaq make a reversal coming back up. Okay, but if not, if we start getting rejected here, then guess what? We're going to go bearish. We're going to continue to drop. Okay, so we'll see a move maybe coming down. We try to attempt to get in that trend, and then we're breaking down. Okay, so that's what we could see on Nasdaq. Okay, I got gold. Scalper Joe, love the vibe, man. I scalp on the 2 minutes, so hit me up. Yeah, bro, when we get 1,000 subscribers, we'll be scalping 1 minute candles live. I personally, I love scalping 1 minutes, but we got to give you guys a little anticipation. So help us out, guys. Sub if you're new to the channel. if you got friends that are interested in trading, Forex, learning, education, learn how to trade real live price action, taking trades, guys. So I'm not just talking here and just telling you guys like where the candles are moving. I'm actually taking trades with you guys, okay? While trading live and giving you guys analysis, answering all your questions. We're multitasking here, guys. So you got to understand that we are putting a little effort in here. Just show us some love, like the channel, subscribe, help us grow this. When we hit 1,000, we're almost there. I think we're going to get 800 subs. I don't even know what we're at right now, but we're close to maybe 800. Dave will kill it in the New York session, NFP. You guys were trending this morning with him, so it was awesome. But Scalper Joe, appreciate you, bro, for sure, man. I'd love to trade with you. US30 break-in, Frankie? Let's check it out. Okay, look at, guys, okay? So Frank is on top of things. I gave the target here. Guys, do you see this big price label? 35,036, okay? So it started to break out. How high did it get up to? It went up to 45, okay? That's a 9-10 pip move, guys, okay? But this is an impulse candle breaking out. So what we tell snipers all the time on impulse candles is scale out, guys. Yes, we got a subscription. Who is it? Azen. Thank you, brother. Thank you, brother. We appreciate you. Okay, so we tell our snipers all the time, when you're taking an impulse trade, if it's good, 10 pips is solid, guys. 10 pips, scale out. Take 80% out and leave a break-even runner. And now this is, guys, for you guys that were asking retest confirmation candle, this is it right here. See how it came down? Body closed right here. Next body opens. See how it came down to touch this area? Again, we retouched 35,036. You could add a buy here. Place your stop loss below this consolidation box, and what we're hoping is this bullish candle is going to increase in volume and momentum, and we're going to get above this previous wick. Okay, that impulse candle right there. Guys, this is trading live price action. This is how you do it. Okay, there it goes. Okay, so what we're looking for on US30 now, Frankie, I know you got that buy, bro. So we need right there. Okay, so if we get this volume above 35,042, we're going to go up to here, 35,045, and then I've got my area up here. Okay, you know, big banks, those guys, market makers. This is where price could come up to, and either it's going to break through here or they're going to reject it up there if we get up there. Okay, but as long as we're holding here, guys, so you can take a trade here, and then you place your stop loss below 35,027. You place your stop loss below there, just so it doesn't come back and then go bearish and you get caught in a dump. But you want to protect yourself, and then when price action goes up 10-20 pips, you can take partial profits, maybe scale out 80%, leave 20% of your trade as a runner, take your stop loss, put it at break even. Again, guys, you got a risk-free trade and you're good to go. Okay, so hopefully that makes sense, guys. Let me check out gold, because a lot of guys in wanted to see gold. Albert, DXY is dropping. Okay, so Albert is looking at DXY, guys. For you guys that don't understand what DXY is, okay, let me just tell you guys what DXY is. This is the US dollar currency index. Okay, so this is a basket case of the US dollar paired against the major currencies of the world. This is paired against the British pound, the euro, the Canadian dollar, the Japanese yen, and the Swiss franc, and the Australian dollar. Okay, so when it's dropping, when this is dropping, that means that the US dollar is weak and those other currencies are strong. When US dollar is strong, then the correlation is that the other ones are weak. So if right now, see how US dollar is going strong? If I flip right now to GBPUSD, I should see it going down bearish. Right, there it is. See the correlation? So when US dollar was strong, we get a bullish candle. Now we should be shorting the pound. Okay, see how you get a bearish engulfing candle coming down? That's why when I used to trade for Forex pairs, guys, I had like my DXY on a split screen and I was watching it, okay? Because look at it. Now, if you flip to DXY, it's a nice bullish candle. GBPUSD is bearish right now. Look, big bearish candle. Let's go to EURUSD. Bearish, red candle. Let's check out GJ right now. Bearish. Look at this, okay? Let's check out USD CAD. Should be bullish. Okay, USD CAD strong right there, going up, guys. What else do you guys want to see? Okay, so guys, if you want to learn how to really trade and get properly educated with some real mentors that can teach you guys, join the Sniper team for $1 a day, $29.99 a month. I guarantee you the value you guys get trading with us, the things that we teach you guys. We're giving this stuff to you for free on YouTube right now. We take time and we teach our snipers more advanced stuff, guys. Okay, we don't share those secrets with you guys here, but we keep those secrets for our snipers. Okay, so but we would love to have you guys join the team. We're growing real fast, guys. Okay, gold, gold, gold. Okay, so if DXY is making a move, the US dollar, gold should be correlated with a move here. Okay, so let's see what gold is doing. Okay. Okay, so gold made its big bullish move. Again, see this order area? I told you guys, if we're not closing with volume, we got a wick coming down. Again, we had a nice big strong bullish candle, wick, pull down. Now we're getting a bearish engulfing candle, guys. So gold right here, again, it's consolidating in this range. And what I'm looking for is we could possibly hit a sell order down here, okay? If we break right now, okay, see how it's breaking? Gold can break right there and we could come down, okay, guys? So get ready. If gold loses this support right here, 1799.80, it's coming down to 5 pip drop. 1799.40. This is going to be an impulse break right here, okay? But I'm also waiting for a confirmation candle, okay? Because this is an impulse candle, guys. Look at it. Coming right there. See, I just told you. It's going to tap 5 pips. 1799.80, there it goes to 70. There's 5 pips, guys, right there. Next area, it's going to come down to 1799.17 right here. Look at my cursor, guys. Okay? This is an impulse trade. Why is this happening? Because DXY is volatile right now. Look at DXY. The US dollar is moving right now, okay? So do you understand what's going on in the markets? Look at the US dollar, how strong it's getting, okay? Gold is dumping. Look at gold is dumping, guys, okay? US strong dollar. Look at GU. GU dumping, guys, okay? It's going below. Look at this area, 139.20. Okay, so look at everything dropping, guys. Look how it's all correlated. Okay, that's a sell order right there. Okay, dropping. Guys, do you understand what we're saying here? Okay, so Albert, heads up on DXY, bro. Thanks for mentioning that. Albert's on top of things, man. And Albert, Dave told me a little bit. We're gonna do a Zoom together this weekend, bro. I'm all for that idea, bro. That's what we're all about. Yeah, I took 80 position yesterday. Yeah, Scalper Joe, 80 positions, awesome, man. Um, yeah, yeah, we take a lot of trades too when we're scalping, guys. So, just guys, do you understand how the markets are correlated with the XY? It's not always like that, but when the U.S. dollar is pumping, okay, then it really affects the markets, okay. Let's take a look at what it did on Nasdaq. So Nasdaq continuing to dump, okay. So we had it continuing to go down. Break below here again. It could come down to 15,119. We're walking Nasdaq down. We're walking US30 down now. It could be coming down. GU was a beautiful sell right there. Look at that, okay? Very, very nice. Going down, okay? But guys, I'm going to focus now on gold, okay? So gold is breaking below 1800, guys, okay? So we could be coming revisiting down here. Trenton, gold looks good. Yeah, so gold does look good, okay? So it is breaking down. Slowly it's breaking down. So if you draw like trend lines from the top, guys, if you're a trend line trader, here's our move right up there. Our trend line is right here. As long as we stay below this, we're going to get pullbacks coming back up. Here was one. As long as we respect this trend line tonight, we could see it go down further. All we got to do is break lower lows. We just got to break. Our next target is 1799. If we can break below there and we come down and we touch this white line against 1798, we could see gold retest daily support 1797. If it breaks there, it's coming down, guys, okay? Gold's been bearish like pretty much all throughout Tokyo. Like we were scalping this. It was waiting for breakout. Finally, I got that one on the 5 lot, but it was hard to we spotted bullish divergence. So price, what that is price is coming down, but the strength was going up. Okay, so think about that. The price was going down, but the strength is going up. And finally, right here, it took forever, and then bullish engulfing candlestick, it broke the trend, and that's what happened. Okay, but look at gold dumping. Okay, so those areas I just told you guys. Okay, right there, 1799 break. It's coming down to 1798.50. Okay, so there's going to be an additional 5 pips, and then back down to this hourly level, 1798. Okay, we lost 50 right here, the RSI strength, so we're coming now down to bearish territory. So this thing can drop down to 30 or below. Okay, guys, 46 viewers. Thank you so much, guys. Like, this means a lot. This means a lot to us. Okay, awesome. Wallop, welcome. Nice to meet you from Spain. Awesome. Guys, let me know where you guys are from around the world in the chat. We did this last night and it was amazing. People all over the globe. So I like to know where everyone is from. Roy, welcome. Good morning. With NFP looming, we may have lower volume. Yep. So we might see some low volume leading into New York, guys. So that's what we could see. There's going to be big news coming tomorrow morning at 8:30 a.m. guys. Okay. Marie Stacks, welcome. I'm personally buying at 131.50 level for GU. Let's check it out. 131.50 GU. You're looking for buy. 131.50 looking for buy for GU. Sorry, you got 131.50. 139.50. You mean? Scalper Joe, Aussie, nice. We use Fusion Brokers from Australia. Sebastian, I'm Colombian but live in New Jersey. Respect, respect. Frederic, French but live in Thailand. Nice, guys, nice. 139.15. Okay, 139.15. 139.15. Yeah, right here. So this is the bottom of my consolidation box, 139.15. This is where we had good support. We came down. This is where we had that bounce, good support. This was that break, but it recovered. And yeah, so as long as it stays here, that's a good buy area, okay? But I follow volume, okay? So I'm going to follow this candlestick. So it's 3 minutes and 25 seconds left on it. It came up. Now it's coming down as a pin bar. So if the volume comes, we're going to touch down here, 139.13, and we could possibly break 12, and it's coming down. But we'll follow this candle. But yeah, for the meantime, 139.15 is a good support level. It's held since Tokyo. It held at 2 a.m. leading here. It broke during London Open, but recovered. So yeah, good spot. 139.15. Yep, there it goes. Okay, so good, good area. Great analysis, brother. Sukprit from Canada, wake in the morning just to watch you live, man. Good work. We're from Canada too, bro. Canada. We're in Ontario. Okay, let me know where you're from in. But so you know, I'm getting up at 2:30 a.m. like you. But and we were trading Tokyo. I went to sleep at 12 midnight. Okay, so I'm only on 2 hours sleep, guys. But we don't care. Dave and I are hustlers. We grind. Okay, you guys gotta appreciate we're doing 3 streams a day for you guys. Okay, we're doing Tokyo, London, and New York. Okay, there's not too many people out there doing this live and educating. Maury, thanks. Gave you a like. Great way to provide info to others. Keep it up. Thank you. And good analysis. Look at Maury. He was spot on. He liked, look at, and I had it on my chart too. So that's why I do these consolidation boxes. This was good, solid support. 139, 150. He had it spot on. And he got into a buy here. What I would do is if you're in a buy, I would place my stop loss. If you're in the buy, right there at 139.15. Okay. Oh, sorry, wrong one. Buy. Okay. Okay, so what I would do if in the buy here is you can place your stop loss below previous 5-minute support, but if we had like an hourly or daily support, I would put it there. But to be safe, guys, you want to be always getting one-to-one on your money. If you're not getting one-to-one risk to reward, then you shouldn't be taking that trade. So we got to look where this can go. If we can break, we can start to come back up to this area. So I would place stop loss like right around there, maybe below that wick, and then that's a great area to be buying, 139.15. We've had solid support throughout the night there, except for that London open break, and then it recovered, V recovery. But yeah, so that's a good trade. I would keep it there. And I would look for momentum to cross over 50, and then we could get nice bullish candle breaking through there. Okay, so that's for the buy for Murray. But again, I follow price action, so I'm going to see how the volume is going to close. South Africa, yeah, we got a lot of signups from South Africa, so we appreciate you guys. Shout outs to South Africa. Sukhpreet, we're hometown. We're London, Ontario too. We're London. We're hometown. We're London, Ontario too, bro. Well, can I do a fast view US30 or US100? US30? What do you guys call it? Do you guys call it US30, US100, or are you talking about Nasdaq 100? Maury, thank you. I appreciate that. You have a great way of interacting with others and giving them an explanation with what you're seeing. Yeah, I'm just providing my analysis, my perspective. You guys have yours, and I love it. So like how you jumped in and you told me that support level, you're spot on. So yeah, so if you can helps with the chat and everything. You guys are good traders too. You guys are learning, so it's it's good, and then you guys can help look for other trades while we're waiting. If there's areas of consolidation, we're waiting. Okay, so look at here. This is US30 now. Okay, so again, it's in this consolidation box, but it's about to break this critical support level, 35,027. If we break, this is where it could come down to. It could come down to fill these wicks and start dropping. Okay. Sebastian, I shared your free telegram with my group team going to be running in month. Thank you, thank you. We appreciate that. Thank you so much, guys. So if you guys share these videos, if you share our telegram group, guys, it means a lot to Dave and I. It keeps us motivated to be streaming live with you guys 2-3 times a day, you know, because we also have our sniper team that we dedicate a lot of time to those guys. We provide live webinars. We provide live. We're gonna do live trading with them as well. We got a wicked chat group. The chat group is awesome, guys. So if you guys are interested in all those funding talent FTMOs, we have a lot of our members who are going through the process. We've got, I don't know, 5-6 members that have passed the accounts. We've got members that are in the elite accounts trading with $100,000, and we've got members actually cashing out, so they can walk guys through the cash out process, how everything works. There's a lot of good guys in this group, and very helpful. Like it's great, guys. I just love the community, guys. Good solid community, guys, and we're all here to feed off each other. Your stops are 139.10. So yeah, so you got a 10 pip stop, or sorry, 5 pip stop. That's proper. Okay. I'm usually maybe 10 pip stop loss. I like to give it a little bit room to breathe. I don't want to give it so tight, but yeah. So here's GU. So he's in at 39.15. He's got a stop at 10. So yeah, perfect. That's exactly where I have mine, right below that wick right there. So that's a perfect stop loss. As it goes up, I would be looking for minimum 10 pips. When you get 10 pips, I'd look to be scaling out a little bit, and then I'd start moving my stop loss maybe to break even with a partial runner. That's just what I do, just to avoid maybe a pullback and coming back down. And then if it does come back down, you can always enter into another buy, guys. You can always take multiple orders, okay? As long as everything respects if we're making higher highs, higher lows, we're respecting the support lines, then we could go in with additional orders, okay? Thank you. We just got a subscriber, Adam Fernandez. Thank you, brother. Appreciate it, man. Thank you, guys. Thank you for the support, guys. It means a lot to Dave and I, for real. Guys, there's big things that we want to do here. There's big things that we want to do, and we want you guys to be part of this journey, guys. We're providing free education, free trading. We know around the world people are struggling right now. Forex is a way to provide you guys with a little bit of extra income. You know, we're in North America, okay? So, and we make good money here. So, but for someone living in another part of the world, $100 is big amount. We're speaking with a lot of members, like they're working an entire month to make $100, and we're teaching them how to trade. They're learning. So, guys, this can change your life. This is a financial skill. They don't teach you this in school. This is basically self-taught. You guys got to learn scalping the markets. Nobody taught me this. I never had a mentor. Dave never had mentors. We learned this all ourselves, okay? And just put in time, work. You guys, this is a grind. This is a hustle. But if you go to school, if you want to be a lawyer, a doctor, an electrician, you put in work, years and years and years, and blood, sweat, tears, and money. And this is the same thing, guys. Nobody said trading is easy. For those people that say get rich quick, it's all bullshit. For those guys that think you can become a millionaire overnight, it's not happening, okay? This trading the markets is tough, guys. It's tough. Look at Scalper Joe, guys that scalp the markets. It's not easy, okay? But when you put in time and you put in the work and you understand how it works, then it starts to become easy. Then you start to understand how the markets move. And but guys, you got to put in work for this, okay? But it can change your life, believe me. It can open new doors for you guys, and you don't need to be sitting in front of a computer all day. Okay, when we do a session, 90 minutes, we get in, we make 30, 50, 100 pips. That's good enough, guys. That's more than enough. Okay, that's all you need. And then you got to understand lot sizes. So if you're making 30, 50 pips, and obviously the bigger your account grows, then you can start to increase your lot sizes. But it's all steps, guys. You start off with a demo account. You start off with nano lots. You start off with micro lots. Then you can move into standard lots. And then you want to learn risk management. You got to use proper risk, okay? So the trade rate here, the buy, 139.15. Stop loss would be placed right there. So you're willing to risk 5 pips to make maybe 10, 15 pips. So you're getting 1 to 2, 1 to 3 R&R on your money, okay? So risk to reward. How much are you willing to risk for reward? Every trade you take, you have to be willing to risk, because you gotta allow the trade to breathe. You can't just buy in here and then just get stopped out. Okay, you gotta allow it room to breathe so that it can go. But you gotta trust your technicals, guys. So you gotta understand now when you're in a trade like this. I see an uptrend forming, but what's going on? So the candle broke out, volume right here. It opened, had pulled back. Look at the candle wick. Okay, now you got to follow price action. So this candle wick, 139.19.5, is higher than your entry at 115, so it's a higher low. Now we're getting momentum coming back up. We got rejected at this next 5-minute resistance, 139.214. It closed right here at 139.204. Here's our next candle opening up. So what we need with this bullish candle, we need some buyers to step in. Look at RSI, it's sitting right at 50. We need to break above 50. We'll get some volume in here, and we need to break above this wick, get above 215, and then we can come up to 230, okay? But you got to respect what's going on up here too when you're scalping. We have this big bearish engulfing candle and bearish. So this is a downtrend. This buy right here could be a pullback. I'm respecting what these sellers are doing, because it could be very real right here. You could get a bearish engulfing candle and come right back down and break here and drop down further. This could be just a scalp pullback, okay? But that's why I'm watching this wick right here. It's holding support, and it could be going. But if it starts getting rejected, this could reverse real fast. But see how it's holding support there? That candle wick is making a higher low from here and here. So now you can draw a trend line, guys, from here, and kind of like connect the dots, and you can ride this trend line up. Okay, so you can kind of ride it up like this. As long as it respects this trend line and we create higher highs and higher lows, we're going to see GU continue to move up further, okay? We just got to get this strength above 50. Once we get the strength above 50, then we can start moving, guys, okay? Maury, how do I add that subscriber notification if you don't mind me asking? Hit the bell. Beside it, it's got the bell. And then click on all, and then you're going to get all notifications when we're streaming live. Escano, how can Fibonacci be accurate with Forex? Fibonacci is one of my favorite tools, okay? Fibonacci is a natural numbers. It's all permutations, mathematics. It's like if you add 1 plus 1 is 2, 2 plus 1 is 3, 3 plus 2 is 5, 5 plus 3 is 8, 8 plus 5 is 13, 13 plus 8 is 21, and then when you divide them, 21 divided by 13, you get the Fibonacci numbers. And the sequence is, guys, 0.236. You got I'll show you the tool right now. So to judge this right now, so I'll go swing low to swing high. We'll see this pullback with Fibonacci's right now. Okay, this is our Fibonacci tool. I plot it swing low. I bring it up to where we're at right now, swing high. Okay, so those are our Fibonacci retracements. Our first zone up here is, if we get pulled back, this white line is the 236 zone. The price will come down to 139.203. We're looking to hold support there, and it's right at our trend line. If that would be a nice healthy pullback, and then we could see increased buyers continue to move it up. But if we lose the 236, then it could possibly come down to the 382 zone right here, this white line. 50.5 is a made-up number in a Fibonacci. It's not an actual permutation of it. It's just put in there to be like a psychological midpoint. And in this zone right here, guys, the golden zone, this is the 618. So if we do get a look at the bullish breakout, guys, on GBPUSD, there we go. See, now we're breaking RSI above 50, and now we're making a new higher high. Okay, so that was a beautiful entry, Maury, solid entry, bro. 139.15, spot on. Okay, beautiful. And now we're continuing to move up now. So next target for GBPUSD is next profit target is 139.26. Okay, I got it from previous resistance on these candles right here. Okay, so that's next target. And just to go back on Fibonacci's, 618 is the golden zone. So if we do get a pullback and it comes all the way back down, we're looking for it to hold this bullish momentum at the 618. We don't want to see a break there. And then that would be a healthy pullback, guys, if it holds 50 and 618. If we lose 618, then it's going to come last area right here, the 0.786, and then right back to where we started. This wick started this swing low to swing high. If we come all the way back down, red candles bearish, and we lose right here, 139.12, then it's going to create a new lower low, and then you're going to see price drop. Then you're going to start a new downtrend. So, but Fibonacci's, guys, we have tutorials on this. We have live webinars with our snipers, and we really explain how those tools work. So look at now, we're getting a big rejection candle. It's a bearish engulfing candle coming from the top up here. How high did we get up to? We got up to right here, 139.235. Okay, so it is a big bearish candle. It is scary, yes, but we got to watch technicals now. Okay, so it's coming down to touch our trend line and this previous support level. Remember, I have this line right here, 139.214. Okay, so it's holding right now. It's coming back down to 50 RSI. Look at the rejection now. So we got buyers coming in. That's what that rejection wick is. Okay, so it's holding support here for the time being. We have 3 minutes left on the candle, so there's still a lot of time on this candle. But now it's coming down heavy bearish. Okay, so that's why, guys, we tell you, when you go up 5, 10, 15 pips, secure 80% of your profits when you're scalping. Leave a 20% runner with a break-even stop loss. Okay, guys, because one bearish candle can come right down heavy and take you guys out. Okay, so believe me, we've been scalping the markets for years. Okay, we know how price action works. Okay, and I don't want to see you guys lose out on profits. That's why I keep reminding you guys. Oh man, great call, guys. I love it. 40 of you guys. You guys are keeping me going, man. The adrenaline is here. I love it. Good chat, guys. Great group of guys. Thank you guys for joining in on London. Appreciate it. But guys, I can't stress enough. Do not miss New York Live with Dave. Okay, it's going to be fireworks, guys. Friday morning NFP. We'll collect a lot of pips going into the weekend, guys. And then, guys, join us on Sunday night. Sunday night, we do our weekly forecast. We chart everything on daily candles, and we kind of get some idea of where price action is going. And we always do weekly analysis, guys. That's Sunday night, and then we get started, guys, trading for the entire week. What do you think on gold on the long run? Yeah, look at that. Okay, so guys, just before I get to gold, Nunes, bearish engulfing candle, all the way back down to where the initial entry was. That's why I tell you guys, secure profits, because this is a counter trade. This is a pullback. Remember what I told you guys up top? We have a bearish engulfing candle, two bearish engulfing candles. The trend is bearish. This is a pullback. I told you guys, look out for this, because you got to respect what these sellers are doing up here. They're pushing down with momentum. This was a nice, healthy pullback, beautiful scalp trade. It was good for 15 to 23. It was good for 8-9 pips, okay? But this is, you got to respect what's going on here, okay? So if this body closes below here, GU is dropping, guys, okay? Get ready for a big sell here. Okay, guys, you got to understand, and don't get greedy in these markets, guys. I told you, bulls make money, bears make money, pigs get slaughtered, guys. When you're counter trading a bearish market, you got to be humble with 5-10 pips, okay? Because one bearish candle can wash you right out, okay? DXY is bullish. Like, I don't even have to look at DXY. I can see. Like, look at DXY. Remember, Albert gave us heads up on DXY. Look at the US dollar. The US dollar is pumping, guys. Look at this shit. We're gonna break. Look at this 5-minute resistance right here, 92.37. Okay, look at this. Look how strong the US dollar is getting. This is getting really strong. Okay, so everything you're trading right now, everything. GBPUSD, big bearish candle. EURUSD. Look at big bearish candle. Look at the euro sell-off, guys. Okay, we had this. That was a pullback, and then you get a bearish engulfing candle. Take it all down. EURUSD, GBPUSD, bearish. GJ, bearish, coming down, guys. Okay, DXY is pumping. That's the US dollar. Nasdaq. Okay, Nasdaq is starting to get back into this area, this consolidation zone. Okay, Nasdaq is coming off the bottom. 3030 is moving a little bit. Let me just get rid of these. Okay, guys, excellent call tonight. I hope you guys learned something, guys. If you guys learned something new today, just make sure you like the channel. If you learned something new today and you enjoyed tonight's session, guys, I'd really appreciate that. I'm going to go about 10 more minutes, and then I got to wrap it up, and then I'm going to be done. I gotta get a little bit of rest because I want to be fresh for Dave's session during New York. But guys, yeah, appreciate every one of you guys. Frankie, take it easy, bro. If you can, join Dave tomorrow morning. Make it nice. What do I believe will move the most during news? NFP is gold. NFP is gold. Like US30 has its moves, but gold really reacts to NFP. Okay. Okay, so look at now we're getting a nice little US30 breakout. Okay. So guys, that's why I give you guys zones. Always up here. 35,000 above here is a buy signal. As long as we have the volume and confirmation, and it's all good. But GBPUSD, yeah. So it was a nice, beautiful scalp buy, but then look at it dropping bearish, okay? Because the overall time frame is bearish, guys, okay? From up here. Here, pullback, lower high, pullback, lower high, pullback, lower high. So you got to respect what the sellers are doing. They're pushing it down. Every attempt the buyers get to push it up, sellers are there waiting to hammer it down, okay? Okay, guys, do you think gold will hit 1750 because of NFP? Well, let's take a look. Let's go to daily candlesticks on gold, guys. So I'm going to go real quickly to gold before we end the call. Okay, we're right at that psychological 1900. There is going to be a move. Daily candlesticks. I think I already did a little analysis. Okay, these are daily candlesticks. Okay, so look what happened on the daily, guys. Okay. I'm going to get rid of everything to show you guys this, okay? 1 second. Okay, guys, look at here, okay? So these are daily candles, okay? So we've got a double, triple top at the top, okay? Right up here. Gold, we tried to break 1835. We were scalping it, guys, up here. We were scalping it all up here. So we couldn't break above 1835. We got rejected, it's caused this downtrend, come back. We recovered, found some support down here at 1792. We pulled back up, we got rejected again, and now it's coming down, okay? So what I'm looking for now is support. Where's our support? Okay, so we got support right here. Okay, this is where we're at right now, trading today's daily candle, 1797. I'm watching 1797 like a hawk, because if we break 1797, dailies are going to come down to possibly 1792. That could be a 50 pip drop right there, okay? Next area, guys, if when NFP news comes out, depending what the results are, what the news is, we could be, if we break there, we could be coming down to here. I like to see body continuations, 1787, and next area is right here, 1783.84, okay? Next area is right here. Okay? And then remember when gold broke, we lost support at 1760. That's where we pulled back up, and then we came down here and we touched 1750. We hit psychological 1750, and that's where we started a big daily uptrend when we hit this, okay? So that's what started this big run. But look at the pattern that's formed on the daily, guys, okay? Do you guys see this pattern? Leg 1 coming up, rejected. Leg 2, we create a neckline. This is leg 3 up here. This could be creating an M pattern break, guys, okay, right here. If we lose 1797 tonight, we're coming down to 1792 possibly, 1787, and maybe 1783 down to there, depending what the NFP news gives us, okay? This is a typical M pattern, but it's right here at the neckline. But if news is good, like if the news creates bullish on gold, we could create support here, and then you could see it come down a little bit, maybe here, and we'll see gold break up again, okay? So we got to wait and see, guys, whatever the results are, whatever, we'll see the numbers tomorrow, and then the market will react accordingly. So you guys can scalp that with Dave tomorrow morning. Join, guys, subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell so you guys don't miss out on any live trading. Okay, guys, so I'm going to wrap it up now. Guys, we appreciate you guys. Thank you so much for everybody that was on the call. Oh, I just want to show you guys here. So, like, this is our website, guys. We got a free newsletter. Join the, if you guys want, just visit our homepage. Come here, stocksnipertrading.com. Scroll down. This is our program for $29.99, $1 a day. Everything you get. These are our latest blogs. We usually give a blog every single day. So these are just free content for you guys. This really informative. This is a red folder news, which give us 300 pips. This was when we were trading live on a red folder day, and Dave grabbed 300 pips and breakdowns of everything. The chart gives you ABCDs. This is when we were trading the FOMC red folder on Wednesday, July 28. We went live at 2 p.m. Eastern time. This is where I took a buy on this rejection candle, this bullish candle. I took 2 standard lots and it went up for 50 pips each. It was good for $900, almost $1,000. And I show you how we do that. This is a double bottom breakout. There's a double bottom breakout. We give you analysis, everything. So guys, just scroll down to the bottom right here. Just join the newsletter. Put your email. You'll get that daily free content sent to you every day. I promise you guys, we don't spam. We don't send garbage. It's all really good stuff. And guys, if you want to join the team, these are like our back end. This is our courses, what are pips, lots, leverage, different type orders, how to properly set stop loss, introduction to candlesticks, open, high, low, close. Then we break down each individual candlestick, bullish engulfing, bearish engulfing, hammer candle, shooting star, all 23 candles. We break them down. We get into teaching you guys about support and resistance, uptrends, downtrends, all kinds of chart patterns, triangles, M and W patterns, head and shoulders, everything, guys. And then we also do our live webinars, and then we also record them and upload them. So if you miss them, you get to watch them, guys. So a lot of stuff going on. Not only do you guys get all those tutorials, courses, live webinars, live trading with us, we send trade ideas throughout the day, trade signals. The private chat room is amazing, guys. We got a good bunch of guys in there. It's growing fast. Like I said, $29.99. We're only limiting that to the first 100. We've got a lot of signups in the last 2 weeks. So guys, because prices, I can tell you, might not stay that low, okay? For all the content you guys are getting and the value, okay? But if you guys want to take your training to the next level, you're welcome to join. And Dave and I are really, we're mentoring you, okay? It's not just like a group where you get a signal, you don't know who you're getting it from. You're face to face with us. Look at you guys already know Dave and I from YouTube. We do private Zoom calls, and that's where we can be ourselves. You know what I mean? And then you get to really know us. You guys can ask questions in there, and it's an awesome environment, guys. So we'd love for you guys to be part of the journey with us. We'd love to help you guys with your journey in trading and help you guys, teach you guys. We'd love to be your mentors. And because there is a lot of suspect trading out there on the internet, so just be careful. Guys, we show what we do live on YouTube. We're full transparent. I show you guys trades we take. That's why I joined that free Telegram group. Everything is posted in here, guys. So it's all posted in there, okay? That's our Telegram link, Stock Sniper Trading FX. Come in there. You'll see trades we're taking live, member profits that they're taking. So this is like right here showing gold sell for 45 pips. The psychology that went through. Why did we take a sell entry there? We break it down. So there's a lot of education. Here's a member from YouTube. This is taken off of YouTube. This gentleman doubled his account on a gold sell. Doubled his account, 100% on his account just from trading live with us on YouTube. So a lot of good stuff, guys. But appreciate all of you guys. Thank you for joining in, for real. Dave and I, we appreciate the mutual respect, guys. Thank you so much. We wouldn't be here without you guys. So join Dave tomorrow morning. And guys, I'll be back Sunday night with weekly forecasts on daily candlesticks. We'll be doing our daily, we'll do weekly analysis. We start off with gold. We'll be doing US30, NASDAQ, we do Bitcoin. We're going to do now more currency pairs for the guys that are in the funding talents. I feel bad for you guys that you guys are only limited to FX pairs. So we'll probably do GBPUSD, we'll do EURUSD, we'll do maybe GBPJPY. If you guys want, you guys let me know what you guys want, and then we'll do it, okay? So join Dave tomorrow. Join me on Sunday night. You guys won't see me again. And then guys, what Dave and I do is we flip-flop. So then we do 2-week sessions. So the next 2 weeks, I'll be doing New York, and then Dave will be doing Tokyo, okay? So we just flip to just change it up a little bit, but we do it every 2 weeks. Okay, guys? Supri, yeah, we'd love to have you join, bro. Just visit www.stocksnipertrading.com. You can join on there. We'd love to have you on the team. Yeah, so I just went over. I showed you everything that we provide, okay? Check it out. Wallop, I will join. We would love to have all of you guys join. Everybody on this call, we'd love to have you guys in the mentorship group. I joined 3 days ago, already learned a lot. Henning, there you go. There's a testimonial right there of Henning that just signed up 3 days ago, and he's learned a lot, okay? So I can't make that up right there. He just signed up 3 days ago, and there it is, okay? So guys, I gotta wrap it up. I gotta run right now. I gotta go. I gotta sleep a little bit, guys. I've been going all week on 2 hours of sleep, guys. But I need a little bit. I want to be fresh for New York. So thank you, everyone. For real, we appreciate all you guys. You guys are part of this, growing this. Let's get 1,000 subs very soon, and then we're gonna do some 1-minute scalp sessions with you guys live. So there's gonna be fireworks, guys. But everybody, have a good morning. Enjoy your Friday. Be safe. And if I don't see you guys, enjoy your weekend. And we'll see you Sunday night. Thanks, everybody, for joining in. Hope you guys enjoyed the London stream.